Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the GoBat MS5K magnetic wireless power bank. It's 5,000 milliamp. It's MagSafe compatible. Here's some more details about the charging. What's great about this battery is it's 10 watt wireless charging. So the Apple one is only 5 watt. There's a lot of QI batteries that are MagSafe compatible with magnetics. Those are only 5 watt. This is 10 watt. It also has a USB-C port to charge. It can take an input of 2.2 amps times 5 volts, and it can output 10 watts as well. So you get 10 watts wireless and 10 watts wired. Works for iPhone 12 and 13 series. Also, it works for these other iPhones that have QI. So we just turn it on, there's a button there in front, and we place it on top, and there it's charging. So it's very simple, so you can charge a phone via wireless if it has QI, that is MagSafe, or through the wired port. And on the bottom, it has the button. It shows you what the charge level of the battery is. What we like about these batteries from Scosche is that it offers this high charging level. So there it is for the iPhone. Also works on Android devices too. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments. And of course, thumbs up.